Hi guys, these are CMA Inter hard copies from our institute's register. So, as you all know, CMA there is a latest syllabus, new syllabus which is released in the 2022. So, entire these booklets are based upon the new syllabus which are applicable for upcoming December 23 and July 24. So, here I'm going to explain you about what are the books that you are going to get if you enroll with the classes with Shrestha. And I'm also going to talk about the pricing, how many pages for each subject, what are the books, all that. Okay, and just a small note, in this book there is a very slight mistake in the printing, so ignore that. Just here, instead of the institute name, my personal name has been printed. Anyhow, ignore that. So for both the groups, like for group 1 we are having 9 book sets, and for group 2 we are having again 9 books. As you know, for group 1 we are having 4 subjects, and group 2 4 subjects. Group 1, let me by the way, now you can see here total book sets in group 1 also 9 books, and group 2 also 9, but you see the quantum, the size of the books are, you can observe here group 1 size is bit bulkier, as in CMA Inter group 1 syllabus is bit lengthy compared to group 2. In fact, that is reflected in the books itself. In group 1, the total number of pages of all 9 books put together is approximately 2700 pages, whereas here it is 1700 pages. Because in group 1, the subjects like law, which is also a lengthy paper, accounting, costing, taxation, all were lengthy papers. So that's the reason why the group 1 books are a bit bulkier. And by the way, the group 1 books price is around 3040-50 rupees, 3100 less than. And whereas this is 2300 or 400 approximately, where you can place order in the rest for CA and CMA application. You can also place order in the websites, rest for cacma.com. There's a website, you can place order inside that as well. Now, so let me explain you each subject by subject. Okay, so now you can see this is complete entire group 1 set, where we have used green color combination, and whereas for group 2 we have used a blue color combination. Sorry, yeah, anyhow, so let me take one by one subject and explain you. And so for law paper we are going to release 3 books for you. For law we are going to give 3 books completely. Just a minute. Yeah, for law we are going to give you completely 3 books. We are going to give 3 books for law paper, like one where we covered entire corporate law and ethics, and where the law itself is having part 2, which is commercial laws, which is completely lengthy, and part 3, which is labor laws, okay, which is again small. So I think in labor laws itself, or maybe probably in the commercial laws itself, yeah, we have covered the constitution, Indian contract law, so where we will give index like this. So we also give cross reference where the same chapter is covered in CMA study material, official study material, and where it is covered in this rest material. So for every book we made a similar kind of adjustment. By the way, all these books are relevant for December attempt as well as the July 2024. And to best of my knowledge, December 2024 exams also these books will be relevant, because there won't be many changes for December except a subject called taxation. Anyhow, I'll come back to that. So this is regarding the law. Then for financial accounting, the paper 6 is again financial accounting, where we are giving you main material, we are also giving you solutions book. So both you are going to get. So this is regarding financial accounting, where in financial accounting again you can see the index here clearly. And so this is solutions book. In fact, the faculty will also give running notes, which we are providing as a PDF. Running notes will be given as a PDF, so which you can download and just see. By the way, we strictly recommend to buy these materials only those who are following lectures with Shrestha. If at all you want to just buy these books alone and want to prepare on your own, better don't buy at all. If you want to do self preparation, directly take CMA study material and then do. Don't prepare from any other book or any institute related books or any private tuition books itself. I mean, because we as a tuition center make our books so that it will align with our tuition pattern, with our lectures pattern, all that. Okay. So this is regarding the law. Accounting. Now coming to taxation, which is again bulky. You can see this is direct taxes book, and these classes, direct taxes book, and by the way, this is indirect taxes book. So you can see how bulky these two are. And within this itself, I think we have incorporated solutions as well. And of course, each and every solution will be explained in depth, crystal clearly, and it will be solved in the classroom. It may be tax or accounting or costing, whatever subject in CMA, all the classes, if you look at if you take any classes with us, as you know, we have subscription model, we have regular model. Subscription means monthly model, regular means 6 months course or 1 year course. For both the groups put together, you can take 1 year course where you are going to get 1.6 view approximately. You can enroll for the classes on the website or as well as the applications. Rest of a CSCMA, there is a white logo application. Here you can see there is a logo white color. So, and here we have given the website details, and here we have given certain instructions. Getting it? So that's regarding taxation. Now immediately you are having a question, sir, what is the price of these books? Group 1 entire set, where you are going to get 2700 pages. Okay, split over 9 books, group 1. Getting it? All these 9 books of group 1, 2700 pages, where we are giving you the cover page, the binding, everything, and the courier, including all put together, it is 3040 rupees. You can place order in our application or even on the website. But I'm telling you, please place order only if you're going to prepare with this Shrestha. You better enroll with this Shrestha. I'm telling you confidently, we are the best in the entire South India with respect to CMA Inter and CA Inter. Okay, just imagine, without any publicity, without any marketing, without any PR, any teams, without any promotional team, marketing team, today approximately in a year, 2500 to 3000 students are enrolling only for CA Inter. And for CMA Inter, we have recently started. So December attempt is going to be our first serious, December 23 is going to be a proper attempt for Shrestha with respect to CMA. Why? Because entire books, entire lectures were almost ready. Books were completely ready. Whereas lectures, we have uploaded more than 90% completely new recordings, exclusively recorded for CMA. We are not giving anywhere CA Inter recordings. In fact, in accounting, for few chapters, paper 6 accounting and paper 10 corporate accounting, in these two papers, we have given for certain chapters CA Inter recording. In addition to that, exclusive CMA recordings also we have provided just for the student. So so that student can solve additional problems. For that reason, CA Inter problems also we gave in the classroom, and that CA Inter problems were also covered in this material. Like if you open accounting, financial accounting, there is a chapter called hire purchase. Let us assume. So 133, there is a page number. Inside this hire purchase, we have given main theory, then we have given CMA Inter problems, then we have given CA Inter problems. This is something like assignment problems for the student. That's it. Now, by the way, paper 8, this is cost accounting. So this is the main material, and these are the solutions material. So this is completely about group 1 books. Now, coming to group 2. Okay. Coming to group 2, this is paper 9A and paper 9B, OM and SM. With respect to operational management, the book is very thin. This is only questions book. This is just a questions compiler. That's it. Now, with respect to this, solutions will be given as a PDF. Maybe in future, we will add solutions also as part of the same book. Okay. Right now, we are only giving questions where the faculty will explain entire notes, running notes, solutions completely in the classroom, and that notes will be given to the student. Now, whereas this is paper 9B, strategic management, and coming to this is paper 10A, corporate accounting. Paper 10, what is the weightage of paper 10? 50 marks. But for 50 marks, this is the size of the book. Okay, this is paper 10, main book and solutions book. Then coming to this, when paper 10B, auditing, getting it. So this is the book for the audit. And coming to paper 11, this is financial management main book, and this is solutions book for the financial management. Then coming to this one, in paper 11A, part A is having 80 marks and part B, data analytics, is having 20 marks weightage. So this is data analytics book, and this is finally the management accounting, which is paper 12. This is inclusive of solutions. For management accounting, we decided to give solutions as part of single book because it is not so bulky. So that's why we have given as part of the single book. Now the price for entire group 2 set is 2300 approximately. I think 2300. This is again including courier. We use for some, depending upon the student location, we use either Speed Post or DTDC or Blue Dart, depending upon the location. Mostly till recent days, we have sent the couriers through Speed Post. Now we are changing for DTDC and Blue Dart for certain areas for faster delivery, quicker delivery. So including courier charges all put together, group 2 is 2300 and group 1 is 3000 I think 40 rupees or 50 rupees something. Okay, you can check it on the application. As I showed, no, this is the application. This is the application, white logos. Rest for CA and CMA, you can check in the Play Store. And if you're an iOS user, suppose if you're an Apple user, iOS, you just open App Store. There's an app called Class Plus. Install that, open that. It will ask organization code. There you need to type JKSAA. Then you enter your mobile number, login. After you log in, you will find 5 buttons at the bottom. Store. There is an option called Store. Just go to the Store option. There are so many filtering buttons will be there. Just to select only CMA books. You will find these 2 book sets. Okay, group 1 fully you can place, or group 2 you can place. If you want both the groups, place both the sets. On website also you can place the order. Now, one more question which many students will have is, so do you sell subject-wise books also? As of now, we have decided not to give subject-wise books. As of now, probably in the coming 1 week. By the way, I'm doing this video on 10th June 2023. So maybe in a week time, probably in a week or 10 days, I will be publishing subject-wise books also. So you can place order for subject-wise as well as group-wise. That's it. Okay. So have a nice time. All the very best.